What's up, you guys? It's your girl Sunny. I wanted to come to you all with a little individual lash tutorial. I actually started already and I got midway and I'm like, you know what, I want to show the girls how I do my individual lashes. I'm not big on the mink lashes because I just feel like they don't last long enough for me. I don't like the shedding and they just don't do what they need to do. So here are the lashes that I use. I use the lashes that have the straight base on it. These are 20 mm individual lashes. And how I apply my lashes on the bottom of my lid. It's so. They last longer that way. And they just look more natural that way. As you can see, I already completed the left eye. I think I'm gonna go in and make it a little bit more thicker. Sometimes I go for a natural look, but this time I think I want to go for a more fluffier look, maybe like how strip lashes look. So yeah, I already got my lashes here. You want to go ahead and be prepared. I got my lashes here, I got my glue here, and also you want to have you a fan, because the glue will burn a little bit. I don't think this is the same glue that they use for individual lashes when they do the mink lashes, but yeah. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I've already started actually on my lashes. So at this point in my lash routine, I'm going to fill in the spaces, because when I do my lashes, I like to leave a little space, and then I go back and fill it in. As you all can see, I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna fill in those spaces in between, and then it'll look like this one. And then I'm gonna go back, and these are on the bottom. I'm gonna go back and put more lashes on top to give it that fuller look, but that is like my sealing method, because instead of putting like a line of glue, like extra glue, I'm gonna use a lash to give it that volume look, and then at the same time it's gonna seal it in. My lashes usually last between 2 weeks to a month. Proper cleaning, no tear shampoo to wash the lashes. You can wash them with just water and Dove soap, you know, just not a lot of soap. And that's really about it. So let's go ahead and get into this little basic lash tutorial. Let's go ahead and get into it. Everybody does their lashes differently. You know, I just want to show y'all how I do mine, how I get my lashes to last. I've been doing it this way for a couple years, and it works for me. So yeah, let's get into it. I got me a mirror right here, and I like to use the magnified side so I can really see, because you don't want to get the glue in your eye or anywhere it shouldn't be. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these lashes on. I like to pull the eye up. Let me pull y'all to this side right here. Yeah. Pull the lid up and apply under. And when you apply the lash, don't go all the way to the base of your lash, like to the skin. Kind of keep it a little bit like before the skin, because when you want to remove the lashes, it's going to be hard if you put it all the way to the skin. Okay. Just like that. Trying to get y'all a better view. There we go. And you kind of want to work fast because the glue that you put to the side, it does dry fast. Get your fan, dry the lashes for about a minute or so. And y'all, that's lipstick on a napkin, not no blood or anything. Now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna pour me some new glue, a new little spot of glue, because the other glue has gotten hard. You always wanna refresh your glue. I'm about to refresh my glue. And then I'm gonna go in with the lashes and put them on the top of these lashes to give it that volume look, more fuller look, you know. Serve the girls with some voluminous lashes. So, get the lash. I got the lash. You're gonna put the glue on top this time. No, on the bottom. I'm sorry. On the bottom of the lash. Right there on the bottom. Yeah. Dip it like so. Now on this part, I like to pull my eyelid like this and lay it on top. I get a flatter, better outcome when I do it that way. So that's how we're gonna do it. And I don't know how many I'm gonna put yet. It just depends on the volume. I took 7 off to put 7 on each side. Well, I took 14 off to put 7 on each side, but we'll see as we go. Okay, we're just gonna roll with it, see what it do. Let me turn the camera a little bit. Trying to get it so y'all can see. You see the difference already. That was 2. This is the 3rd one. And I like to space them out. Only want to go back in and put more. You can. I don't like to go full-fledged with a whole lot of volume because it might be too much. Yeah, I don't mind my 7-month-old. Five, easy. 2, 5, 6. Got the lashes on. You can see the difference. No volume with volume. Okay. and dry it up real quick. Before I dry that up, let me make sure they're in place. And you can definitely squeeze them down if they look a little too fluffy. Now to add some volume to the other side. Get the glue, put it on the bottom, and we're gonna go right on top. Pull the lid. Lay it right on top. Right on top. It's really easy once you get the hang of it, and I like these straight ones because they're easier to place. The ones that you get from the beauty supply store, they have a knot. That's what this is. It's a straight knot, a flat straight knot. The other ones at the beauty supply store have a round knot, and I don't like the way they look when you put them on your lash. They don't look natural. Last one. Yeah, get into her. the final look. Get into it. Yep. So hope y'all like this quickly mini tutorial. Hopefully I'll come back with you all with more little makeup things. See y'all later.